Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Again, we came back to you, my friend, to analyze for you the Bitcoin market. So if it's the first time of you here, you were watching us now, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin, my friend. So let's start our lesson of today, my friend. As you see, my friend, here what we got today. If you've been with us and you saw the last video, the market was giving you here, give us today a green candle, my friend. And I tell you all those things before. I tell you also we are in a stronger level here, as you see it, my friend. Not a stronger support or resistance, no, it's a stronger supply and demand zone, my friend. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, here, like that. Last time, here, when it bounces in that level, then here, and you are in it again. That one is a very stronger supply and demand zone, my friend. The only thing here, my friend, even if that candle is showing a bullishness now, but down here, if you're looking at the volume, my friend, there is not a lot of people they buying. So we'll have also enter long if that candle here, the green one, came like that, and the volume here spike and break for us that moving average, that one may I got us here with brown, that will tell us the market is going to reverse, but till now there is nothing confirmed, my friend. That's just a normal thing in the market happening, because as you know, the market, it's not falling like that. It's always the market, my friend, fall down like that. It's falling by waves. So that was going to happen now. It's going to happen a small correction. I don't know till where, maybe till that zone here. Then after that, it's going to drop again, my friend. Make a close eye at those things. Because if you go to the weekly, my friend, let's go to the weekly together and see what's happening there. In the weekly, my friend, as you see it, you are in a very sharp candle. As you see it, is the second engulfing week, my friend. The first one, it was that one where we are is the second week, my friend. So we are headed now for another crash, my friend. But the only thing now, in the lower time frames, if you are a day trader, a swing trader, a scalper, you can benefit from that correction, because it might the price go till the 50% of that candle here, that weekly candle here. Man, you can go till here, that zone here, the last lower of the previous week. That one me I'm talking about. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go back to the daily. Let me show you more here. And here, my friend, as you see it, that level of us. And here, where is that candle now? It's spiking. You got that long-term trend, my friend. But as I tell it to you, the volume down doesn't tell us we are going to head for another run, my friend. Remember those things very, very, very well. What me I'm telling you, my friend. Because if you see here and here, what that candle tell you, my friend, there is volume. The market will not move without volume, my friend. If there is no volume, there is nothing. So it needs investors to come and to buy the Bitcoin from that level. The Bitcoin is going to hike, my friend. But till now, there is nothing confirmed yet. Let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring for us, my friend. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, when it's breaking for us here, it try now to give you here like a trend like that. So it might that one go back and touch the trend line here, in that zone here. Then after that it will drop in again to the oversold area. That way I told you, it might is going to go only till 50% of the weekly candle. Then after that it's going to drop again, my friend, to the oversold area, my friend. Till now there is no buying yet, my friend. Remember those things, my friend, I'm telling you, there is no one will tell you those things. And that other indicator, my friend, as you see it, that one, it's trying to enter here at the oversold area, but not yet, my friend. Not yet, my friend. If you want when exactly enter in there, it's very, very, very easy and simple for you, my friend. Just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, or you can join our Telegram channel. Is it in the first comment? So over there, you're going to be notified every time when we put in a video, my friend. And if you be a subscriber with us, smash the like button, help us, help the channel to growing up. If you find the content we give you valuable, smash the like button, my friend. And you can go down to a comment or write for us what you view to the Bitcoin, what you thinking is going to go drop, is going to go high. Share your opinion with us. Like how also we're sharing our opinions with you. Even you share your opinion about the market, what the market going to do, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's see now the 4 hours to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, what we said before. If you remember, and you being someone who being subscriber with us, we said we got here like that, a trend line like that. That's what also we said. We said it started from here, 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 and over here. Over here, it's being broken, my friend. Then it go back, it test it again here. Now it test it again. It couldn't give you here another high, my friend. But here, if you see here, the market, what it giving you here, my friend. Market is giving you there a wage. So there is now one of two. The market to go back inside the trend line. And that one here, that previous break, what we're talking about, that one is going to be a false breakout. Or the market to break for you high. But you're going to be sure the market is going to go high when it's going to break for you the last high, which is here, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. If the market break the trend line inside, you are going to head for another crash, my friend. If the market break up, don't enter unless if you came here to that last high here, that one. Last time we reached. And you wait in the market to break it for you, the 24K. That level also being talking about. 24K is a very stronger level. If you see it here, when the market was falling sharply, what it did in it. And now, when the market going high, it reached to that level, he couldn't break it, then he went down. Only thing now also we got that level of us here, of 17K. Let's see if it's going to hold or no. I'm going to update you every time, my friend. That's why I told you, if you are not subscriber, subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos, my friend. Also, we put in every day 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin market, the SP 500 index, the DXY or the US dollar index. So no matter what you're trading crypto, you're going to benefit from our analysis. You're trading the stock market, you're going to benefit from our analysis. You're trading the forex, you're going to benefit from our analysis, my friend. Everything is free here. There is nothing to pay, my friend. You can even join us in Telegram to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, because Telegram is going to send you a message to your phone every time when we put in a new video, my friend. And that is going to be more good, because Telegram is like WhatsApp and those things, but it's free, not paid like the Facebook or the Meta. Everything for them is you need to pay money. So let's go in more to see what is it there, my friend. And here, my friend, also yesterday what we're drawing that triangle here. And as you see here, that lower of that channel still holding, my friend. All I think here, if we zoom in here in the 4 hours, my friend, let me zoom it like that. What you see in that level here, my friend, at level here, what you seeing, what those candles they telling you here, those ones. Look at them very, very, very close and tell me your opinion. That's what I want. Tell me your opinion down in a comment, my friend. Go down and write a comment what those candles they telling you there. You write it? Let's continue. Those candles, my friend, here, they telling you one thing. There is a rejection happening here. That level is a very stronger level, because as you see all those candles here, they came with big tails, and all of them they give you here big tails. And also we are in 4 hours, my friend, so there is a very stronger power there. They try to push the price up. The only thing here, if you see down here in the volume, my friend, here down, there is no power. Not the power of the volume, because in the forex there is no volume. I'm sorry for people who trade in the forex, but as you see, my friend, here, that the volume, not the real data, my friend, there is nothing to lie about it. The volume down here, my friend, even all those candles on all those rejections, there is no volume to push up. As you see it, my friend, there's nothing green breaking that level of us. There's no candle breaking even all that volume, my friend. So that one is small a trap. Maybe it's going to drop more, my friend. Remember my word very, very, very well. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's show you our indicators, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, as you see it, it's enter again to the oversold and it's stay in it. There is nothing changed. So let's wait in the coming days what's going to happen. That's why I told you subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. And smash the like button to help us to growing up more. As you see, also still a very small channel compared to those bigger scammers and fibs. They just try to lie at you. Majority of them, they never trade. They don't know nothing about trading, my friend. Also, we are professional people, but the job of us that how you see the difference between our analysis and their analysis. But it's up to you, my friend, if you want to support us, if you don't. So, let's see our other indicator, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, I showed it to you before. I told you, us, we got here a divergence, and we got it here in the chart. But till now, nothing confirmed, my friend. It needs the volume here to be spiking. There is no volume, there is no entering. No volume, no entering, my friend. Yes, we are going to enter late, but we are going to enter in the safe. Better if we enter now and the price drop again to that zone here. You get what I'm telling you, my friend, or no? Everything is too clear, my friend? Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, as you see it, what the market tried to give you here. Tried to give you a double bottom, but till now is not confirmed, my friend. Till now is not yet. That's what me I told you before. Yes, he being given you here like a small triangle like that, and now it's break it up, but till now nothing confirmed. If you want to enter, that only for scalpers, by the way, don't come and misleading what me I'm telling you, but just for scalpers and day traders, those ones they can go to 30 minutes. Investors forget about 30 minutes, stick above 4 hours. Scalpers and day traders, they can scalp from here to here. That what they doing. So for small trade, for investors, forget about those things, my friend. So for scalpers, if you enter, you put the stop loss down, take profit here, my friend. For scalpers or day traders, it's an opportunity for you to enter, my friend. It's breaking for you, not lower here. As you see it, I tell it to you before, we have here a triangle and now it's break it for you. Everything is too clear, my friend. And as I tell it to you before, I tell you it's going to go to the trend line here, and the 200 moving average is next to the trend line, as you see it here. As you see, where is the 200 moving average, my friend? Is there. It's our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it go out from here, from the oversold area. As you see it where it is. By the way, if you want that indicator, just go here to one video, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. In the description of that video, you can find that indicator, download it. And even in that video, we show how to install it, my friend. So go and done it if you want that indicator. And by the way, also we give you the source code of that indicator, my friend. So I think we are going here to the overbought area, my friend. I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and smash the like button for us and turn all the notification to receive every time when also we put in something new. Or you can join us in Telegram. Our Telegram channel is down in the first comment, my friend. Go to it. So when also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now.